Question number 6. Variable x and y are such that when L and y is plotted against x, a straight line graph is obtained. The line passes through the point 1, ln 15 and 2, ln 75. Show that y is equal to ab to the power of x, where a and b are integers to be found. When we have the straight line, so this straight line can be represented by y is equal to mx plus b. In this case, ln y is plotted against x, so it gives a straight line. So the equation will be equal to ln y is equal to mx plus constant. You can take b or c, whatever you want. So this equation will satisfy these given 2 points. Ln y means ln 15. So ln 15 is equal to mx. X means this point, because we are taking this point 1, ln 15. So this one will 1 plus c. So we will have ln 15 is equal to m plus c. This is called equation 1. Similarly, we have another point which also satisfies this equation, so we can plug this point in this equation. So 2, ln 75. So plugging this point in this equation, we will have ln 75 is equal to m. X means 2 plus c. So we will have ln 75 is equal to 2m plus c. This one is equation 2. We need to find the equation. So first we find the slope and constant by using these two equations. If we can solve these two equations simultaneously, we can find the value of m and c. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, so ln 75 is equal to 2m plus c, and ln 15 equals to m plus c. Subtracting, so this one will be cancelled out, and on the left side we will have ln 75 minus ln 15 equals to 2m minus m means m. And we know that the property of ln a minus ln b is equals to ln a over b. So this one can be written as ln 75 over 15, which is equals to slope, which is equals to ln 5. So we have calculated the slope. Now plug this slope in equation 1 to find the value of constant c. So equation 1 is m plus c equals to ln 15. So m is ln 5, so plugging ln 5 plus c equals to ln 15, and c is equals to ln 15 minus ln 5. Again apply this property. We will have c is equals to ln 15 over 5, which is equals to c is equal to ln 3. So we have calculated the m and c, plugging this in the equation of line, which is ln y plus mx plus c. So ln y equals to mx plus c. So we know that ln y is equals to m, we just calculated, which is ln 5 times x plus c, which is ln 3. So this equation can be written as ln y is equals to x ln 5 plus ln 3. And we know that another property of ln, which is a ln b, is equals to ln b to the power of a. So we can write this equation as ln y is equals to ln 5 to the power of x plus ln 3. Similarly, there is another property that ln a plus ln b is equals to ln a b. So we can write it ln y is equals to ln 3 times 5x. So exponential both side. So we will have y is equals to 3 times 5 to the power of x. So we have converted the form of equation, which is y is equal to ab to the power of x. So 5 is b and 3 is a.